How to create an LLC in the United States step by step is something millions of people search every year. And now in 2026, with more people starting online businesses, freelancing, consulting, and launching side hustles than ever before, it's honestly one of the smartest moves you can make. But here's the problem. When you actually try to figure it out, you land on government websites that feel outdated, confusing, and honestly a little intimidating. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create an LLC in the United States step by step, what you absolutely need to do, what you can skip, and how to avoid common mistakes that slow people down. And now real quick, if you decide you'd rather have everything handled professionally and avoid second guessing yourself, I put our exclusive Tailor Brands discount link in the description and pinned comment below. You'll get special savings with it. All right, let's get into it. Now, before we talk about filing, let's quickly talk about what an LLC actually is. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and so basically what it does is separate your personal assets from your business assets. That means if your business runs into legal trouble or debt, your personal savings, home, and car are generally protected. Now, of course, laws vary by state and situation, but that legal separation is the core reason people form an LLC. On top of that, it also makes your business look more legitimate, which helps when dealing with clients, banks, payment processors, and even potential partners. So if you're serious about your business, forming an LLC is often the first real step toward doing things properly. So the first step in creating an LLC in the United States is choosing the state where you want to form it. Now, in most cases, you'll want to form your LLC in the state where you live and operate your business. There are exceptions like Delaware or Wyoming for specific situations, but for most small businesses and online entrepreneurs, your home state is the right move. Each state has its own filing fee, rules, and annual requirements, so it's important to check your specific state's Secretary of State website. Now, once you've chosen your state, the next step is choosing your LLC name. Your name must be unique within your state and include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Most states provide a free online name search tool so you can check if your desired name is available. And honestly, it's smart to have at least 2 or 3 backup names ready just in case your first choice is taken. Alright, so this is the step where your LLC officially becomes real. You'll file something called the Articles of Organization, which is sometimes called a Certificate of Formation, depending on the state. Now, you can file this directly through your state's website by filling out basic information about your business and paying the required filing fee. Once the state approves your filing, your LLC legally exists. Now, here's something important. If your filing is rejected due to a small error, most states allow you to correct and resubmit without paying the full filing fee again. However, if the filing is processed and later needs to be amended, you may have to pay additional amendment fees. So while you don't usually lose everything over a simple rejection, mistakes can still cost time and sometimes extra money. And that's exactly why many first-time business owners decide to use a service instead of filing completely alone. Now, every LLC in the United States must have a registered agent. This is simply a person or service with a physical address in your state who can receive legal documents on behalf of your business. Now, you can act as your own registered agent if you live in the state and don't mind your address being part of the public record. But if you value privacy, especially if you're running your business from home, using a registered agent service can make a lot of sense. Now, after your LLC is approved, you'll need to get an EIN from the IRS. This is basically a social security number for your business. You'll use it to open a business bank account, hire employees if needed, and handle tax filings. And the good news is this part is completely free when done directly through the IRS website. It usually takes about 5 minutes. Now, this is a step people sometimes overlook. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC is structured, how decisions are made, and how ownership is divided. Even if you're a single-member LLC, having this document strengthens your liability protection and helps maintain your business legitimacy. Some states don't require you to submit it, but that doesn't mean you should skip it. Now, here's where things can get easier. If you'd rather not navigate state websites, worry about formatting errors, or track compliance deadlines yourself, Tailor Brands can handle the entire setup for you. So first, click our exclusive discount link in the description or pinned comment below. That takes you directly to their platform and automatically applies your savings. From there, you select your state, enter your business name, and answer a few simple questions. Their system prepares and files your documents correctly, generates your operating agreement, helps with EIN filing if you choose, and offers registered agent services if you want added privacy. And on top of that, they provide compliance reminders so you don't accidentally fall out of good standing later. So you're not just paying for convenience, you're paying for accuracy, structure, and peace of mind. And if you're going to use them, make sure you use our discount link so you get this special pricing. Now, can you create an LLC completely on your own? Yes, and many people do. But if you're brand new to business formation, using a service can reduce stress and lower the chance of mistakes that lead to delays or amendment fees. So it really comes down to whether you want to invest more time or trade a little money for a smoother process. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They wait. They research for months, they overthink every detail, and meanwhile, they're operating without protection. So if you're serious about building your business in 2026, create your LLC properly. Whether you file it yourself or use our Tailor Brands discount link below, just take action. If this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to create an LLC in the United States, give it a thumbs up so more entrepreneurs can find it too. And subscribe for more straightforward business guides that actually make sense. And if you'd rather have your LLC handled professionally and avoid the guesswork, use our exclusive Tailor Brands discount link in the description or pinned comment below so you can get started the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.